Alright, so here we are. In today's video we're going to learn how to insert a YouTube video from YouTube into one of your pages. So today we're going to work on a test page that I've already created. It's down here under test page. It's in the DIVI. It should say DIVI on it, all the pages, and this is the one we're using. So over here you've got the wireframe of your website and how it's created with the different sections and modules. So what you want to do is go to the preview, open up a new tab, which should come open when you press preview. So now we've got typically the back end or dashboard open, and then we have the front end opened. I like to work from the front end just because I get to use the visual builder here. So you enable the visual builder, and once the visual builder is enabled, you've got these handles, these little boxes around here, the sections and the modules and so on. And what I typically do is I click inside here and you can actually see what they are. So this is a section, this is a module, so this is a row, and then this is a module. And what we're going to be doing is adding another module, which is called a video module. So you can import a URL, which is a website address from YouTube, to play within your website. So hypothetically what would happen is you'd be filming a video, no matter how long the length of it is, uploading it up to YouTube or placing it on like Amazon S3 or AS3, which is a file storage place, taking that URL from wherever it's stored, whether it's Amazon, VMO, or any kind of like file sharing kind of thing. You take that MP3 address and you would plug it in. So here, because these are modules, what we want to do is add another module. And we want to look under video, and it's intuitive. So as soon as you start to type in video, you have options. Click on the video. Now they put this generic video here. So what you want to do is under here, you want to make sure you hit the gear icon. All right. And this is where you want to insert from URL. Now, if you know the URL, you just added it or type it in here. If you don't, which in this case, we don't know what it is, I'm just going to pick some generic YouTube video. So just going to open up YouTube in a different tab. And I'll pick the first one I'm going to use here, which is the balancing of this Shun Crane balancing of Canon camera here. So what you do here is this video has a URL, and the URL is found right here. www.youtube.com, watch, and there's the URL. So this is specific to this video. So typically you just highlight it all. Command from a Mac, it's Command C for copy, or Control C from a PC. And once you've got that copied, you can go back over to your live page and you can highlight this, Command V, and now you've inserted it. There's the video from YouTube. And now that you've inserted it into your post, and it should show up. Now that's all you need to do. It's that simple. Hypothetically, if you wanted to change where these things were, there's a couple ways you can do that. You can literally grab onto these things and you can move them. This little bar here moves it, and it will tell you where you can move it to. Okay, so you just drop it there. Or if you don't like it there, you can drag it up. Okay, and if you don't like it there, you just drag it back over, and it actually shows you a resting spot once you kind of hover over things. Okay, and then you just drag it down below, and it shows up. So hypothetically, if you had any video, let's just say, for example, you were doing a weekly video series, and you wanted to update that on a weekly basis. You know, here's our weekly website show. So basically every time you uploaded a new video, you'd go back to YouTube, you'd take that URL, copy it, come back here, paste it in, okay, and it's ready to play. So now what we do, simply come down to the three little dots in the purple here, save it, come back up over here to Exit Visual Builder, scroll down, and this video should play. Just like so. All right, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Pretty simple stuff. Next thing we're going to learn is how to upload your latest video to YouTube, and I will make another video to help you right along. All right, Ken McMillan signing off. Take care.